Kapag pumasok ka sa isang relationship just because you're lonely, you will end up more broken. After my last breakup, nagbago talaga yung pananaw ko pagdating sa love. Dati akala ko mas nakakaangat ka sa buhay kapag may jowa ka. Parang naging part ng personality ko yung pagkakaroon ng girlfriend. I thought yung love na yon was something that completes you. But I realized something important. If you enter a relationship just because you're lonely, kapag nawala na yung tao na yon, mas mawawala ka din. Mas masakit, mas empty, because you entered the relationship for the wrong reason. A romantic relationship is not something that you use to fill yourself. Instead, what you should do is to fill your own cup, love yourself, heal yourself, build yourself. So that when you love someone, it comes from overflow, not from lack. That's why instead of rushing love, I chose to focus on my growth. Doing the things that I've always wanted to do. Learning self-respect, learning self-love, learning to say no, learning to set a high standards without feeling guilty about it. And while you're in your waiting season, here's the truth. Don't just wait for the right person, be the right person. Because you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. And if by any chance you're in your broken season, huwag ka muna mag-enter sa relationship. Use that pain para mas mag-grow ka. One of the biggest lessons that I've learned in life is singleness is a privilege. This is the season where you discover who you really are, where your potential grows, where God shapes you, but only if you'll allow it. So for me, I'm building my financial life and also gaining wisdom by reading lots of self-help books. So hindi na to kompleto kasi yung iba, hinihiram ng mga friends ko kapag tapos ka ng basahin. And also strengthening my relationship with God. And praise God dahil as of the moment, I've already read 3/4 of the entire Bible. And my goal is to finish the entire Bible by March this year. And honestly, I'm so grateful for this season. So para sa iyo na nanonood nito, huwag kang mainip. Dadating din yung para sa iyo. And I'm praying that when you finally meet, you're no longer looking for someone to fix you, but rather you are both whole people ready to love in God's perfect timing.